3-step formula to start your career as a content writer, where the first step is foundation. In this step, you really have to get equipped, make yourself prepared by learning the different styles of content. Now, let me tell you that content writing itself is a very big world, and you can't just burden yourself to run different types of styles of content. There are lyricists or speech writers, press release writers. But in today's world, even if you learn these 6 types of content, you will be ready to work for the brands because they are just looking for these 6 formats. So these content styles are blog writing, technical writing, website content writing, social media writing, email writing, and landing page. If you learn how to write this structure, you can write for any industry. And let me tell you that you do not have to learn how to write for every industry. You just have to learn the structure. If you know the structure, you can easily mold your content for whatever the business, whatever the niche that you're going to write on.